Hi guys, so this is a test of soil from the cooler end of the terrarium, which is like the woodland side, where the soil is kind of more moist and rich with isopods and springtails, and it's kind of like a darker colour than the soil on the arid side. And it's turned green, which is neutral to alkaline. So that's interesting. I think I made the mistake the other day of not allowing the soil to dry out. So what I did was with this test was allow the soil to dry out I left it on the windowsill overnight to dry out, and then did the test. So and this is the outcome. So now I'm going to do the same with a soil sample from the warm side, the arid zone, which is a slightly different substrate to the cooler end. This is a mix of earth mix arid, excavator clay sand, and a little bit of sphagnum moss. Which would have broken down by now, but I think there's still a few little bits of moss in there. So it's going to be interesting to see whether this will, what the outcome of this will be. When I did the test from the woodland side the other day, I think I made the mistake of not allowing the soil to dry out, so that moisture would have affected the colour of the pH value, because the colour was showing more kind of like a dirty yellow colour, dirty yellow greeny kind of colour. So it wasn't accurate, but this is looking really kind of a nice green. So that shows that the soil has got a bit of alkalinity in it. So it's interesting to see. So I'll post another update shortly with a test result from the soil sample on the warm side, and then we'll go from there and see what happens.